A nice high-tech looking French-style stainless steel rolling pin, 15.9 inches long, from the nice people at Zulay who gifted this to us. I'm making pizza today. You can probably hear my pizza oven. I've got it going over there. So let's see how this rolling pin works with pizza dough. Before I get started here, I wanted to tell you about the company. There were two young boys who were raised by their single mother in Venezuela. She brought them to America. One of those boys grew up, got married, and he and his wife started this company. They make great kitchen products, and they named the company after their mother, Zulay. A couple things I really like about this stainless steel rolling pin before I even get started with it is the fact that it's smaller, it's lightweight, it's going to be easy to store, and it's easy to clean. Another nice feature about stainless steel is that you can keep it cool. You can actually put it in the refrigerator. Now, why would you want to do that? Because if you're rolling out pastry dough that has butter in it, you want to keep that butter from melting or getting too soft. And a lot of times that happens in the rolling process. But with stainless steel that's cold, that'll stop that, and you'll be able to roll it out nicely. I also like the idea of my hands directly on the board. And I don't have those silly handles on either side, which sometimes take up space that's unnecessary. This way, I can just use it in a nice motion. By the way, I haven't floured the stainless steel rolling pin, so let's just see how it does without flour on the top. So far, so good. Again, I just really love the fact that I can get in here and it just feels better. This is really super nice. I really like how this rolls out beautifully. That was so easy to roll out using the stainless steel, and I hardly had any flour on the rolling pin. So now I've got a nice hot homemade pizza with a beautiful crust that I made using this nice 15.9-inch stainless steel rolling pin from Zulay. I'd highly recommend it.